Afternoon. This is Mike Lynn, your friendly neighborhood corporate metrologist. Today's Tip Tuesday, and we'll talk a little bit about something that's new in version 13 that you might not be aware of. And that's some changes we've done in the test point layouts. If you've been using IndySoft for any length of time, you're fully aware of our setup and results grids. So we have the setup grid for when you're setting up and designing what your test points need to do in terms of calculations and things like that. And then the results grid is what the technicians would see as they're calibrating the instrument. Well, some new capabilities that we've added in 13 is that you can now create and assign test point layouts per line item and per test point. So for instance, if you look here, I've got DC voltages, and let me go ahead and turn on our toggle here. So you can see in my layouts, I've got DMM set up. So we're calibrating a DMM, and I've got a layout showing the DMM fields that I want. So as I'm going through, I've got DC voltage, and then when I get to AC voltage, you'll see something shift. Well, what's happened is that for AC voltages, I need frequency and a frequency unit of measure. I don't need that for DC. So if we look here at the DC voltage, I click back up here and you'll see I don't have the frequency. If I go back to AC, here I have frequency. And the way you do that is we have our default setups here, but then over in our setup grid, I've added in the new fields here called setup layout and results layout. So in here, I can define different layouts for each test point. So for all of my AC voltage test points, I've decided I want to use the AC readings for both the setup and the results. So you can see you can select whatever layout that you want here. And this will, because it's at the line item level, it overrides what's selected here. So you can tell this by watching this box up here. So it says DMM default. And when I click on AC, you'll see that this says AC readings now overriding what's here. So this allows you to set up your layouts and show fields specifically needed for a particular line item, which makes it really helpful for showing or not showing particular information. So hopefully this will help you out with setting things up for your technicians when they're trying to do calibrations and you want to hide or show information that may or may not be necessary. This has been documented in our help file. So if you go there, you can get more detailed information on how to actually set it up and use it. But hope this helps. Have a great day.